What is up, guys? It's your boy James, the Red Productions here, and today we got a new update on the tracks near Vicarstwon. New update. They changed Steven's location over here, and then this most important part. Look at the freaking Vicarstwon Railway Museum. And as you can see inside from this window, you can see like a faceless version of Emily right there. And then up ahead, I think I see like a faceless version of Steve, bro. If you guys are watching this, we're about to see a literal exclusive Blueprint Front secret. Yo, look at all this. My God, got like the jet engine models of Stephanie with whatever that train is. Got, like I said, a faceless version of Steven. And then this engine right here, I don't know who he is. And then these other two engines right here. We have like one of those in the game, but not the one right next to it. And then back here we got Neville. Neville's actually facing the wrong way. And just a note, only like two of these engines have faces. The black tank engine and that black guy. That black engine smiling mischievously. Wait. Oh heck no, I just noticed something. There's a freaking blade behind the coaches that black tank engines for. Yo! Could this mean we be getting Glenn in the next update in Blue Train Friends? This is crazy right now. That's like a... What is that red scrappy thing? Yo! What is that? Can we get like a... Ooh, what is that? There's like somebody standing on that tender, and I have a feeling it probably goes to some engine like James has like older version, or it could be evil. Just saying. And then we got these other two faceless engine, well, tender engines over here. Then we got a express coach. These things right here. And then the room that has that faces version of Emily. And there's something around here. Made by Kaboom. This is the original express that's going to be used in the Versus 2 update of 4 being sorted? Or sorted, I guess. Okay. That's cool to know. And then, like I said earlier, here's the jet engine. This is like pretty cool. We're going to be getting a whole entire museum. And the next update, Blue Train Friends. Like, yo. And I have a feeling these coaches, these orange coaches over here, I have a feeling these are Annie and Clarabelle's. Then we get to see some of this up close. think this is the narrow gauge coach right here, the blue one. And then this red coach, I have a feeling that's like the Dexter coach overhead in the CGI series. And to look at this coach up close, I have a 100% feeling this belongs to Eagle, because I think Eagle has the NW on his standard, so I'm sure there's got to be his. What's this right here? Oh wait, hold up. There was like a bunch of secrets in Blue Train Friends right now. Like, yo. Ooh. What's this? Who is this engine over here? Yo. They get a little close at it. For some reason, it looks like it has a face. And then these posters over here. Ooh. Yo, this is so crazy. I'm getting a Blue Train Friends exclusive right now. Like, if you guys want to find out what's going on Blue Train Friends, you can go find me on my YouTube channel. Plus, I made my own t-shirt on my logo. And then this room over here, though, got Emily. And who is that red tank engine behind that coach? This is like so crazy. I'm like experiencing future updates in Blue Train Friends right now. Like, who would have thought this would happen? Ooh. I get to get a little close up from this. Okay, not 100 deaf people. Oh, Mr. Beast. Yeah, if you guys don't know, I'm also subscribed to Mr. Beast, obviously. Yo, look at all this stuff. You guys can see right now, we got like a statue of Glenn and the snowman from the Christmas update from last year. This is like so crazy. So I'm gonna end the video off here. Make sure to like, subscribe. It's your boy James the Red Productions here, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.